Hello, my friends from YouTube. Today I have a surprise. A friend of mine said that he has also a surprise for me too. And when I got to his workshop, he gave me a full bag of tubes. Now I'm not so used to work with vacuum tubes, but I said to make a video and ask you to help me find a use for them. And so I will show at least a part from of these tubes, and maybe you can give me some ideas. And I will start with, of course, the majority of the tubes are Russian made. So, well, let's see what have. We can do with them. Here we have a tube 6H, so 6 hotel, 6 November, I think. I don't know exactly what that letter is. It is, but I have 4 of these. I have 1 of these, so this is 6, sorry, 6 Charlie, 4, 1 Charlie. I don't think I have the plug for it. Oh, this is a big one. So I think is what do you think? I hope you can tell from the picture the writings on it. Seems to be used, but anyway, if you have any idea what I can do with it, please let me know in a comment below. Here I have another tube. So Tango Golf 1/1 08080 kilowatts. I don't see too much writings on it, except this Oscar Tango Kilo, I think, 226. So, yeah, let me know what you think. I think this is the plug, yes. We have the plug. Oh, 6, X-ray 9, I think N. Few of this. Oh, this one is nice. So is X-ray India 6-4, and that's it. What do you think, guys? I see I have some of this. And this construction. The tube is 6/3/15 November. I think all are the same. Yes. I think it's for power supply or something like that. Oh, this one, nice, very small. Tiratron, Tango X-ray 4, and I don't think it's 6. I think it's a B Bravo, lower cap Bravo, I think. Sierra Golf 15 Papa, Sierra Golf 1 Papa, Sierra Golf 16 Papa. This one is let's see. I don't see anything written on it, but I think I have more only that they're like this. So it's 12 1 November. Let me know if you have more information about this tools. I have more of this, so we will see what we can do with them. Oh, this is a big one. Lima, I think. Mike November 8-3 Bravo. Oh, nice one. Yes. So I think it's L, but upside down. I don't know. But interesting. Interesting. Here we have some papers. Oh, nice. I think I have 3 of these. And this is the code. So let me know in the comment what you know about these tools. More of this. November 1 Tango, I think. Oh, nice one. But I don't see anything written on it. So let me know if you know what kind of tube it is. Sorry about that. V12